Discover the workflow management with Nora IPLM. Click on the Workflow widget. Click on Quick Create. Select Workflow Template. Enter an appropriate name for the workflow template. Now continue through the next steps. Enter an appropriate description for the workflow template. Let's proceed to the next steps now. Click on Create to save the workflow template. Click Create New to add the first node. Enter an appropriate name for the node. Now click Create New to add the second node. Enter an appropriate name for the second node. Now click Create New to add the last node. Enter an appropriate name for the last node. First, click on the Edit command. Now add transition lines by holding the left mouse button to connect the sides of the nodes from the first to second in order, and draw the line to define the workflow's flow. Then, similarly, add the second transition. Double-click on the transition to edit. Enter an appropriate name for the transition label. Then add Promote to the trigger event. Add the necessary details, click OK. Double-click on the transition to add necessary details. Enter an appropriate name for the transition label. Add Promote to the trigger event. After adding necessary details, click on OK. Click on Save to store the changes. Click here to select the node. Hold Shift and click to select all the nodes at once. Right-click and click on Open in Table to edit all the selected nodes in a table widget. Now click on Select All. Right-click on the Assignee field to add the value using Mass Update option. Following that, click on Mass Update. The selected assignee name will now be applied to all three selected objects. Click on OK to save. We have successfully added assignee using Mass Update. Add suitable Task Create action for each nodes. Add Promote to the Task Create action of the selected node. Add Promote to the Task Finalize action of the selected node. Click on Save to store the changes. Click on Set State. Add Released as the target state. The state of this workflow template has been updated to Released. Now click on Relations. Click on Workflow Content to add the document that should be released using this workflow template. From the central search, find and select the document. Drag and drop it onto the Workflow Content. Click on Initialize Workflow. Enter an appropriate name for the workflow. Click on Initialize Workflow. A new workflow has been initialized. Now, click on Start to start the workflow. Click on Workflow Task to view the tasks created. Select the task and click on Complete Task. Click on Refresh to view the changes. The first node is completed. and a new task for the second node is generated in the Workflow Task tab. New task for the second node is generated. Select the task. Click on Complete Task. Click on Refresh to view the changes. The second node is completed, and a new task for the third node is generated in the Workflow Task tab. New task for the third node is generated. Select the task and click on Complete Task